How about some turmeric golden milk? Comes from ayurvedic cooking. It's highly medicinal. It's antifungal, antiviral, anti-parasitic, I believe, antiviral, antioxidant, gut healthy. 80% of your immune system is there, so is most of your dopamine and serotonin production, which is why they dub the gut as a second brain. Blood sugar friendly, obviously, very blood sugar friendly, unless you put a ton of maple syrup or honey in it. So let me show you how this is done. I've been reading about this. I've known about it for quite some time. It's something I've been meaning to make for a while. So let's do it. And if you're excited about this Ayurvedic, deeply medicinal, therapeutic, valued stuff, please subscribe to my YouTube, hit the bell that will notify you when I make new videos. It also helps me a lot so that I get more exposure and I can keep creating all these free videos. Okay, let's get started. 2.5 cups of unsweetened almond toasted coconut milk, or just use whatever plant-based milk that you like. Make sure it's unsweetened and it doesn't have any excipients in it, so it's clean. 1 stick of cinnamon or ground cinnamon powder, about 1/4 cup. Quarter teaspoon. I did a heaping 1/4 teaspoon, so I got it a little bit more. When you do cinnamon, make sure that you get cinnamon from a health food store and make sure it's radiation free. Now this is fresh ginger root, about 1 inch of fresh ginger root right there, and about 2 inches of fresh turmeric root right there. If you use the powdered version, the ground up version, I believe that comes out to 1/4 teaspoon of ginger root powder and a 1 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. But when it comes to this, especially for medicinal, just go and make the special trip to get the actual fresh root from the produce department if you can, because it's so worth it. And then you just peel it and then slice it up into these thin slices and put it on in there, just like so. This is coconut oil, just 1 tablespoon, just like so. When it comes to coconut oil, organic, cold pressed, unfiltered, raw is going to be the most medicinal. Some black pepper, a pinch of it, so I'm going to do a few dashes and a few dashes more. The black pepper actually does a lot to increase the nutrient absorption of all that wonderful turmeric so that you get even more health benefits, more medicinal value of the turmeric. 1 tablespoon of raw, local, organic honey. Oh good, it's all in there. So the honey, if you have allergies, it's really important, especially to make sure that it's local, so that you get the local pollens to help you combat that. And always make sure that it's organic and cold pressed, raw, unfiltered, all that good stuff for the medicinal value. Stirring with a very low flame. This should only take about 5 minutes. You don't want to bring it to a boil, just bring it to a place of warmth while you're stirring. Pour into a cup, or ideally what most of you are probably going to want to do is you're going to want to get a strainer, which I don't think I really need to demonstrate here, and pour it through a strainer into a cup or whatever you're going to drink it from. But as for me, I actually want all the little pieces of ginger and turmeric to enter my mouth. I will chew them up and then swallow them. I will be eating them in addition to drinking this milk, but it's up to you if you want to use a strainer or not. So I want to read to you for just a moment about where this stuff comes from. It's really interesting. The source here is Gaia. Of course I know how to pronounce them. I love Gaia. I use a lot of their products. So according to Gaia, GaiaHerbs.com, what is golden milk? Golden milk is based on the traditional Ayurvedic recipe that has been savored for centuries and used to support the mind and body in a number of ways. And they have a lot of different recipes here, and they go over the ingredients and its medicinal value in each of the ingredients. And here's another website, goldenmilk.com. That's relevant. So what is golden milk? We are often asked, what is golden milk? Golden milk is a simple to prepare, delicious and nourishing drink which allows us to get the benefits of turmeric and curcumin in a natural way. Golden milk is often referred to as a turmeric latte. So how about a daily latte, a daily turmeric latte? This would certainly be a very healthy version of a latte for you latte fans out there. So with a subtle hint of natural spices, including cinnamon, honey, and black pepper, golden milk has a beautiful and striking golden color. When combined with the premium coconut milk, golden milk becomes a delicious turmeric beverage, or a turmeric latte beverage. And golden milk is a caffeine-free and a healthy alternative to coffee and teas and can be consumed as your daily beverage. Not only is it good for you, golden milk actually tastes great too. There you have it. And they write much more there. It's here to stay, why we use these ingredients. Okay, so that's about it. Again, if you'd like this, subscribe, like, hit the bell, leave a comment. Let me know what else you would like to see. I do anything under the umbrellas of natural health and organic wealth. And on that note, take care, everybody. Next video is coming very soon. Bye for now. Mwah. Be healthy.